Hey guys, H Garage here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to check your oil, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, moving on. First thing you want to do is locate your dipstick. This is what a general dipstick looks like, but it could be in a different location depending on your car, because mine's in the front, but mine's a 1999 Honda Civic, so depending on your car, it could be somewhere else, but this is the general look of it, so just look for something like that. So, let's get right into it. Alright guys, moving on. So now we're going to go to the actual part of how to check your oil. So, we already established on how to find your dipstick. Now, let's go into actually how to check your oil. So, quick little tip right here. This is the right way to do it. You want to check it when your car is cold. Yes, when your car is cold, guys. Because if you check it when it's hot, if it's been running for a while, as you know, the oil comes from the oil pan, runs through the block, and then keeps going a cycle like that. So if you check it when it's like that, you're not going to get an accurate reading because it's been already flowing through the block. So you can't tell if it's too low or too high because it's been running. So the best way to do it is check it when it's cold. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, moving on. So go to your dipstick, pull it out just like this. And the first reading is never accurate because you just pulled it out. But you want to get yourself a microfiber cloth like this and just wipe it off like this. Make sure you get all that oil off. Just like that. Boom. Right there. So as you can see, those two little dots right there. Here, let me try to focus it for you guys. Those two dots right there, right? The first dot right here, anything below that is too low. And the second dot, anything above that is perfect, all right? So let's put it back in. Make sure to do this when it's cold, guys, like I told you. Put it in right there. Just like that. Now take it out. And it is reading right above the second dot. See, just a little bit above the second dot. So that's a perfect oil reading right there, guys. And just put it back in. Just like that. And guys, that's basically how you check your oil. It's that easy. Just first line, anything below that is too low. Anything above the second line, it's pretty much perfect. So yeah, guys, that's how you check your oil.